in online to Qatar Airways flight. Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can check in online to Qatar Airways. Alright, so what do you do first? The first step is to log in into your Qatar Airways account, to log into your dashboard, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in and you're brought to the home page, you can see a welcome address, then you can see explore your benefits, you can see different things. You can see your digital card, you can see your student club, you can see your activities, you can see your avios, etc. So once you can see all of this, the next step is to navigate through to where your book tab is. That is where you can book flight by moving to the top part of the screen where you can see explore, book, experience, privilege club, and then just go ahead and click on book. Okay, so once you click on book, you can see the books page, you can see flight schedule, you can see hotels, car transfer, car rentals, etc. Just click on flight schedule and then you'll be directed to the Qatar Airways page. Alright. So on this page you can see the timetable, you can see find flight, etc. So you can just go back now by clicking on the Qatar Airways logo. So once you're back to this page, you can see other options. You can see book a flight. You can see Qatar stopover, manage slash check in. So that's where we're heading to. You just click on that. Now once you click on it, the next step is to see the two options, manage booking and to check in. So since you are dealing with check in, we'll just select check in. After selecting check in, the next step here is to enter your booking reference. After you book the flight, you'll be given a booking reference, all right? So the next step is to ensure that you enter in your booking reference, your last name, then click on check-in, and just like that, you will be checked in online into Qatar Airways. So this is how it works. This is how we can check in online to Qatar Airways flight. So ensure you try this out, alright? Thanks for watching and have a good day.